안녕하세요. Welcome to this amazing platform. I am Mamata and I'll be a Korean trainer for today. So in the last class we did Sino-Korean numbers and shopping. Today we are going to continue with shopping and learn the pure Korean numbers. Starting with 고유 or 수 or the pure Korean numbers. Let's repeat the numbers. 하나, 하나, 둘, 둘, 셋, 셋, 넷, 넷, 다섯, 다섯, 여섯, 여섯, 일곱, 일곱, 여덟, 여덟, 아홉, 아홉, 열, 열. So, we just saw numbers from 1 to 10. Now, let's take note of a few spellings. Now, 여덟. Double final consonant, this would be silent. 8 would be pronounced as 여덟. A few of these have 받침 at the end. Yes, but pronunciation said. Similarly, Ned, not an S sound, not sir. Ned, said, Ned, 다섯, 여섯. Okay, now let's continue after 10. Now, I have 10. I want the 11th. I want an 11. So, Hana is 1. So, your Hana is 11. Your plus Hana. Your Hana. Similarly, your dur, your said, your ned, till I reach your ahop. 19. Now I want a 20. So 20 would be sumur. Sumur. Yes. Now, similar to your, I'll put 1, 2, 3, 4 to sumur. Yes. Sumur hana, sumur tul, till I reach sumur ahop. 29. Now I need a 30, so that would be sorun. If you notice, unlike Sino-Korean number, here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 have all different names. Yes. So you need to learn the numbers from 1 to 9 and all the 10s. Right? So we did till sorun, 열, sumur, sorun. Then mahun is 40, shwin is 50, yesun is 60, ilhun is 70, yodun is 80 and ahun is 90. So, we reached till ahun ahob 99. After 99, we continue counting from pek. Yes, pure Korean numbers go up till 99. After 99, you count from Sino-Korean numbers. Also, we use pure Korean numbers to count quantities and age. Yes, it's used for other things as well, but till now we are only going to learn about quantities and ages. Okay. When we count quantities in pure Korean numbers, we shorten the first 4 numbers by omitting the last letter. So, Hana becomes Han, Thul becomes Thu, Sed becomes Se, and Ned becomes Ne. Similarly, for your Hana also 11. So, your Hana would be your Han, your Du. Similarly, for Sumur, Sumurhan, and Sumultu, Sumulse, yes, and so on and so forth. Okay, now let's move to Ohi for today. Today we are going to learn Thani Myeongsa. Thani Myeongsa are counting nouns. In Korean, we use counter nouns to specify objects that we are counting, to specifically tell what we are counting. Okay, let's learn about Thani Myeongsa. Ghe is used for most objects. Hyong is used for bottles. Jan is used for glasses and cups. Myong is used for people. Mari is used for animals. Won is used for books. Hongji is used for packets. Krud is used for bowl and food. Te is used for electronics. Now let's see a few examples. 사과, I have sagwa, apples. Let's see how many sagwa I have. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. 4 sagwa. So I can say sagwa 네 개. Not 넷 개. It's 네 개. sagwa 네 개. Okay. 물, water. I have 1 bottle of water. So instead of 하나, I'll use 한. So 물 한 병. 병 is used for bottles. 물 한 병. Next we go to 잔. Coffee. Let's see how many coffee we have. 하나, 둘, 셋. 3, 셋. So coffee 세 잔. Not said. 세. coffee 세 잔. Next see, we have 학생, students. Let's see how many 학생 we have. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟. 8, 여덟 학생. So I can say 학생 여덟 명. 명 is used for counting people. Okay. Next, I have 고양이. 고양이 are cats. Okay. So how many 고양이 do I have? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱. 일곱. So 7. So I can say 고양이 일곱 마리. 마리 is used for animals. 고양이 일곱 마리. 7 cats. Then we have 책, books. How many 책 do we have? 1, 2. 하나, 둘. 2. So 책 두 개. 두 권. So not 둘, 두. 책 두 권. 권 is specifically used to count books. Okay. Now this girl is eating ramen and we can see packets of ramen at the back. Let's count how many are there. 하나, 둘, 셋. 3. So I can say ramen 세 봉투. 봉투 is used for packets. So ramen 세 봉투. 3 packets of ramen. Then she's also having a bowl of ramen. Yes. So I can say ramen 1 한 그릇. 그릇 used for food and bowl. 라면 한 그릇. 1 bowl of ramen. Okay. We have 핸드폰. 핸드폰 are smartphones or your mobile phones, right? How many smartphones do I have? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열, 열하나, 열둘. Yes, I have 12 핸드폰. So 핸드폰 열두 대. 대 is used for counting electronics. 핸드폰 열두 대. Okay, so we just learned 단위명사. Now we are going to learn 문법 for today. This 문법 is formal ending. Till now we have learned simple present, informal tone. Today we are going to learn formal. So with verbs and adjectives, where we used to use 아요, 어요, 해요, we will use 봅니다, 씁니다. With nouns, where we used to use 이에요, 이에요, we use 입니다. Okay. So 봅니다 and 씁니다 are simple present formal endings added after verbs and adjectives for sentences that are not interrogatory. That means not questions. They are used for declarative and assertive sentences. Sentences which are ending with a full stop. And similarly, 입니다 is used after nouns. Okay. Now where there is a 받침, there is a final consonant, I'll use 씁니다. 먹다 plus 씁니다. 먹습니다. Similar to 먹어요. Means the same as 먹어요. Right? But in a formal tone. Where there is no 받침, 받침 없어요, I'll add 봅니다. 가다, to go. 가 plus 봅니다. 갑니다. Similar to 가요, exactly like 가요. Means the same as 가요, but in a formal sense. Now, noun, it doesn't matter if there is a 받침 or not. You just have to put 입니다 at the end, right? So 의사 is a doctor, a noun, that's a noun. So 의사입니다. Exactly like 의사예요, but in a formal tone. Okay. Now 붑니까, 씁니까, 입니까. These are for interrogatory sentences, right? 붑니까, 씁니까. Similarly, simple present endings, formal ending for interrogatory sentences, for questions. Yes, 씁니까 is added when there is a 받침, when there is a consonant ending. 붑니까 is added when there is no 받침, vowel ending. And 입니까 is added after nouns. Irrespective of vowel ending, consonant ending, I'll add 입니까. Let's see examples. 먹다, to eat. 먹습니까? Exactly like 먹어요, but with a question mark. 먹어요, do you eat? 먹습니까? Do you eat? But in a formal fashion. 가다, 갑니까? 가요? With a question, 가요, do you go? Similarly, 갑니까? Do you go? 학생 is a student. So, noun plus 입니까? 학생입니까? Are you a 학생? Are you a student? Exactly like 학생이에요? Are you a student? 학생입니까? Now let's say a few more examples. 어디에 갑니까? 회사에 갑니다. Right? 김밥 먹습니까? 네, 김밥을 먹습니다. 학교에서 공부합니다. 책이 가방 안에 있습니다. Just note that though there is 받침 here, right? But followed by a similar sound, there would be a stress here. Yes? 있습니다. 있습니다. 책이 가방 안에 있습니다. Okay, now this is the introduction that we did earlier, right? But in a informal tone. Now let's do it in a formal fashion. 안녕하십니까? 안녕하세요? Yes. 안녕하십니까? 저는 마크입니다. 저는 학교에서 한국어를 공부합니다. 캐나다 사람입니다. Okay, let's follow this up by this quick conversation. Now, someone is asking, 뭐 드릴까요? This means, what shall I give you? 뭐 드릴까요? What shall I give you? So this person says, 손님 says, 사과 있습니까? 네, 사과 있습니다. 우유 있습니까? 네, 있습니다. 사과 6개 주세요. 6개 of 사과 주세요. 주세요 we did in the last class. 주세요, to give, please give. Please give 6 apples. 사과 6개 주세요. 우유 2병 주세요. 2 bottles of milk. 얼마예요? How much is it for? So 전문 replies 9,700원입니다. So let's break this down. 9,000, 9,000, 700, 700, 1. So what is the price? It would be 9,701. Okay. So today we learned pure Korean numbers and counter nouns. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. 안녕히 가세요.